Hi, good evening, everyone. Are you ready to play tic tac toe? I want to hear yes. At least
Yes.
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 That
Yes.
is such a sad yes. Some excitement. Some excitement.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you all show more excitement in the actual game. And if we can have the screen up. So you all have understood the game. You all know who's who in the squares now.
Yeah.
So if we can have team captains from both the teams. So who is going to lead Loya Nagar?
I'll
Quickly.
go. Arshi.
Okay, Arshi. Great. And from Airport Road?
Sharon.
Okay.
Okay. Father, if you could please toss the coin. I don't have a coin around me.
Wait.
He only has notes.
No, I got my trusted 2 rupee coin. All right.
Okay.
Captains, which one of you is calling? Will let Archie call?
Yeah.
Okay. Archie, heads or tails?
Tails.
Okay. It is tails.
Yes.
Okay, Arshi, do you want to go first or do you want Airport Road to go first?
We'll go first.
Great. That's the spirit. So, Arshi, who from your team will be going first?
Eden.
Okay, Eden. So, tic-tac-toe, we have X and zeros. So, Arshi, what do you want to have, X or zero?
We'll take X.
Okay. So, Eden, who will answer the question for you? Which square do you want to pick? Just tell me the number, which square? Except number 6. You cannot pick number 6, Eden. You cannot. I will not allow you to pick number 6. So,
That's your own. Yeah. Correct.
any square except 6.
2.
Okay, 2. So, the question for number 2 is 2, are you ready? What country was host to 2017 World Expo?
Yeah, I would say that's Kazakhstan.
Okay. So now, Eden, you have to agree or disagree. What do you think is the answer? Is Kazakhstan the right answer? Just agree or disagree.
I don't know. Disagree.
Okay. So we are going with disagree, right? You don't agree that Kazakhstan is the right answer.
I don't know.
So yeah, you disagreed. There's no turning back. So
wait.
Kazakh. No, no turning back. No turning back. Kazakhstan
Ziana.
was the right answer. And you disagreed to it, so you don't get the point.
That's right.
So the
I'll
other
just-
team member gets the point.
Okay. I'll just take 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, just couple of seconds, just to. I knew this answer before this question was given to me. Why? Because it's something, a topic that is very close to my heart. That is future energy, and it talks about environment. So I was actually following all these expositions which go on. India also had put in entries into this, and our Kochi International Airport, which runs, it's the first airport actually which runs on the solar energy, was the prototype was displayed during the exhibition. So I had read about it. So anyway,
Great. So Loyanagar, you don't get that point. Airport Road gets that point. So everyone, you're getting the hang of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sharon, now
Yeah.
pick a team
Yeah.
member. Sharon, quickly pick a team member. Who will
I'll
now?
go.
Wait, Sharon, you're going?
Yeah.
Sharon, who do you pick?
Go with number 3. I'll go with number 3.
Okay. Number 3, are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Okay. So your question is, the Banya pine tree is native to which country?
I would say Florida.
Okay. Sharon, do you agree or disagree? Is the Banya pine tree from Florida?
One second. What did she answer?
She said Florida. She thinks that the Banya pine tree is from Florida. Agree or disagree?
Yes, I agree.
Agree. Okay. So it is not from Florida. Florida is more tropical, I believe, and the Banya pine tree is from Australia. Okay, so it's good. You guys are very giving this. The other team gave you the point. You gave them the point. Very nice. So Loyanagar, which team do you pick? Which member do you pick to answer?
I'll come.
Okay, Arshi. Arshi, who do you pick?
I'll pick number 6.
Okay. Number 6, are you ready? Your question is, what is the largest living fish?
It's a whale shark.
Okay. And Arshi, do you agree or disagree? Do you think the whale shark is the largest living thing?
I agree.
Agree. Pakka? Lock kiya jaye?
Yeah, lock in.
Okay, that is the right answer. The whale shark is the largest living thing, and you get your first point, which you earned on your own. So, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's quickly move to Airport Road now. Who is going to answer now from your team?
Robin.
Robin. Robin, are you ready? Who do you pick? Who do you pick to answer?
Number 8.
8. Number 8, are you ready? Okay. Your question is, what are the holes in Swiss cheese called? What are the holes in the Swiss cheese? Jerry, Tom and Jerry, he has this particular cheese, Swiss cheese. What are the holes in that cheese called? Yeah.
The whole Swiss cheese are called eyes.
Okay, eyes. Robin, do you agree or disagree? Do you think, that cheese which Tom and Jerry, say Jerry eats, that holes are called eyes?
I disagree with that.
Okay. They're actually called eyes, so you don't get this point.
Thank you. I'll start driving.
Okay. Loyanagar, who's going next? Come on, Arshi, tell me who's going next.
Myra.
Okay, Myra.
Myra.
Myra, who do you want to pick?
Number 9.
Okay, so Father Omar, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What was described as the tear on the face of eternity? Is it tear or tear?
Here.
Tear on the face of eternity.
The Olympic pool in Athens.
Myra, do you think the Olympic pole is called the tear in the eye?
No, I'll disagree.
Do you want me to repeat it? Disagree. Smart move. Because it is the Taj Mahal which is called the tear on the face of eternity. So you get the point. They've already won the board. Great. So Airport Road, I think let's take a quick breather in between. Let's quickly play a short game, which you will not get points for this. But before we move to our next board, I just want to quickly play this game. I hope you don't mind.
Okay.
So for this game, you will have to run around a little bit, okay? I hope you are even the PPC members can play, okay? You have to run around a little bit. If you've connected yourself with the I suggest you remove your headphones because you will have to run around a little bit. So the rules of the game quickly. The rules of the game are I will play an audio. You have to pay attention to that audio, and it's a Bollywood song. You have to listen to what is mentioned in that audio and find the object in your house, pick it up and show it on the camera. Whoever shows the object first on the camera wins. Okay. Quickly, I will play only 5 songs. It is just to liven you up and so that you answer more smartly in the next round. Are you ready? You get the game. I'll play a song. Pay attention to the lyrics. Find the object, grab it, and show it on the screen. Okay. Okay. Can you hear this? Okay. I see. Okay. Who is this? Archie wins. Archie got it. I am playing the next track.
दुनिया के इस चिड़िया घर में तरह तरह का जलवा, मिले किसी को सूखी रोटी, किसी को पूरी हलवा, अरे भाई किसी को पूरी हलवा। ओ बेटा जी, खिचड़ी का मजा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम, कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम।
Okay, I'm playing the next track. If nobody is getting the object, I need to see you running.
I got the puri.
Okay, अरे वाह.
मालिश, तेल मालिश, चंपे।
सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए।
Very good. I see Archie and Godwin. You all got oil.
गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई मुझको पिलाने वाली हो, चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो,
I got it.
सीने से लगाने वाली।
Okay, one last track. Then we are going back to our game.
ओ लाल दुपट्टे वाली तेरा नाम तो बता, ओ काले कुर्ते वाली तेरा नाम तो बता,
ओ नाम के दीवाने तू काम तो बता, ओ नाम के दीवाने तू काम।
Who? I don't see anybody running. Is anyone running? Okay, Sharon got it. Very nice. Is that a lal dupatta or you picked up something else?
It's a dupatta.
Okay. Great. Now let's go back to our game. Since Loya Nagar went first last time, we'll go with Airport Road now. So Sharon,
Give us some time to keep the objects back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Continue. Just joking.
I hope now you guys are a little bit more in the spirits to win. I don't see that winning spirit in anyone here. So I need you guys to want to win, okay? Now let's go with Airport Road. So Sharon, who is going to answer? Who is going to pick a person? Chloe.
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay. And let's go back to our board. We start with a fresh board. Chloe, who do you pick?
Number 4.
Okay, number 4. Number 4, are you ready for answering your question? Your question is, what famous fashion designer did Rachel begin working for in season 5 of the TV show Friends?
Sophia Loren.
Okay. And Chloe, do you agree or disagree? Do you think it was Sophia Loren who Rachel worked for?
Disagree.
Chloe, have you watched Friends?
Yeah.
Okay, so good. You are right. It is not. It's not Sophie Loren. It is Ralph Lauren, and you get that point. Now we'll go to Loya Nagar. So who's going to answer from Loya Nagar?
Nathan.
Archie? Okay. Nathan,
Yeah.
pick a number. Who are you going to?
3.
Okay, number 3, are you ready? So, which part of the elephant's body has the most muscles?
I would say trunk.
Okay. And do you agree or disagree? Nathan, do you agree or disagree? Do you think the trunk has the most muscles?
Agree. Agree too.
Great. That's the right answer. So you get that point. So yay. Now next, from Airport Road. Who's going next?
Flavia.
Yeah, okay, I'll go.
Flavia, you're going.
Yes.
Flavia, pick a number.
1.
Okay. Number 1, are you ready?
Yeah.
What is the hybrid offspring of a llama and a camel called?
Hippocamelus.
Do you agree or disagree? Do you think the hybrid of a llama and a camel is called I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Hippocamelus.
Hippocamelus.
I disagree.
What do you think it's called?
I don't know. I have no idea.
So you sure it's not I can't even say it. Hippocamelus.
I don't think so.
Good. That's right, because it's not called hippocamelus. I don't think there is a word called hippocamelus. The answer is kama, and so you get that point. Now going back to Loyanagar, who is going next? Archie, who is going next from Loyanagar?
Frazier.
Okay, Frazier. Pick a number except 6. You're not allowed to pick 6.
7.
Okay. Number 7. Are you ready? Okay. What is the only muscle in the human body not attached at both ends?
Nose.
Okay. Fraser, do you think the nose is the only part of your body which is not connected at both ends?
Agree.
Agree?
Yeah.
You're wrong. It is the tongue. You don't get this point. Okay, it is the tongue which is not connected at both ends. I'm still figuring out how, but okay. Okay, let's go to the third round then.
So captains again. This time let who's the captain of Airport Road? Sharon?
Yes, father.
Sharon, you call, okay? But I'll unmute so that you know there's no cheating going on in my room.
Head.
Heads? No, tails, okay? Archie, you want to take control of the board or give it to them?
We'll take control.
Okay, Ziana, go ahead.
Okay. So you're gonna go first? Who's going from your team?
I'll go.
Okay, Archie. Pick a number. Pick a
I'll
number.
pick number 9.
Okay. Number 9.
Yes.
What name is given to the male rhinoceros?
It's called a bull.
Okay. Archie, do you agree or disagree? Do you think the male rhinoceros is called the bull?
I disagree.
It is called the bull. So you don't get that point. Close call, close call. Airport Road. Who's going next?
Dominic.
Dominic, pick a number.
8.
Okay. Number 8. Are you ready, number 8?
Yes.
Okay. Kigali is the capital of which country?
Kigali is the capital of Uganda.
Okay. Dominic, what do you think? Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Disagree. Wait. The Kigali is the capital of Rwanda and not Uganda. So you get that point. We'll move to Lohanagar. Lohanagar, who's going next?
Eden will go.
Eden?
Yeah.
Yeah, pick a number.
Hmm.
See, watch the board clearly.
3.
Okay. 3, are you ready?
Yes.
Your question is, what year saw the release of the first Harry Potter book?
I will say 1999.
Okay. What do you think, Eden? Agree or disagree?
I 1999 disagree.
Okay. What year do you think it was released? How old is Harry Potter?
1997.
Yes, that is the accurate answer. I hope you didn't Google it, but yeah, you get the point.
Robin will go next.
Robin, are you ready? Pick a number.
7.
Okay. 7, are you ready? Your question is, what is the only signed work of the artist Michelangelo?
It is the Pieta.
Okay. Agree or disagree, Robin?
I agree with it.
That is the right answer. And so I think we have a clear winner. And that's Airport Road.
Thank you, Auntie.
So we come to the end of this game show. Congratulations, Airport Road. And good try, Lohanagar. Before we wind up, do you want to continue the previous game and close it? I didn't play all the tracks. Do you want to play that game?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की
take
में
care of.
एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा उखड़ा रहता
So I think Auntie Lorna, because she by default was sitting in front of a window, so Auntie Lorna gets this point.
Thank you.
मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी
So Lorna, Auntie and Arshi get the... You don't get points alone when we're just doing this for fun. We'll just quickly play a few more tracks and we can wind up.
मोहतरमा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा बता मतलब की
Sing, 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 sing.
मतलब की बकवास तेरा गाना रात हो या हो दिल्ली
Yeah, Auntie Lorna gets the point for this one. Auntie Lorna is killing this game.
Ooh, good job, Lorna.
मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था मैं तो लड़की घुमा रहा था रास्ते से जा रहा था भेलपुरी खा रहा था लड़की घुमा रहा था तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं
Nobody has mirchi in their house? Okay, is that mirchi or bindi?
Mirchi.
Okay, I think we are done for the day. I hope you guys had fun and had a great time today.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Airport Road. We will see you in the finals.
Congratulations, Airport Road.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Sienna.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Sienna.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.